If you continue the same feeling, Ushnodaka Snanam Kalpayami, the mantra also says Ushnodaka Snanam Kalpayami. What we do in our Peetham is, in winter season, we offer only hot water. Of course, she is beyond cold and heat. I know what you're going to say. Oh, she is supreme. Well, the supreme has been brought into an icon, yes? Into a limited form. So, when I feel whatever I feel, the same thing mother feels. My daughter in Toronto once asked, in the Prana Pratishtha, we have the Panchadivasas. One is Jaladivasa. You need to put the icon in the water. And my daughter refused to do that. She said, Daddy, this is cruel. She will suffocate in the water. She will die. That's the non-duality. God also can die. It's not, putting down the power of God. So if I am feeling that God is equal to me, I'll put warm water or hot water in the winter. I will heat the milk and offer only warm milk. Punish me if it is against the Shastras. But my love is superior than the Shastras. Sarvanulanghya sasana. It is superior. Actually, this non-duality is exhibited from the other side in our Puranas and movies also. Whenever this Bhakta is hit by a villain and the icon cheek is swollen, non-duality. From that side, it is being taught to us. This Bhakta is no different from me. Not only this Bhakta, this ant, this cockroach, the dog, the cat, nothing is different from me. Don't hurt anybody. We go around the Audumbara tree. Digambara Datta Digambara Sripada Vallabha Digambara. So much respect. Next day, you cut the trees. Of course, for Yajna Samhita, that's fine. Unnecessarily to build your apartments, you cut your tree. That's why I said, when you cut a tree, you plant a tree. Previously, they used to respect the bhumi, pray to that earth, and then only cut the tree. That respect is gone. So, Sarva Dvanda Kshayankari, how can we implement is, first, let us unite the outside to ourself. The human, let us start. The family member, outsider, there is no difference. It is Vasudaika Kutumbakam, the Lita Kutumbam. I treat both as same. Then, human beings, animals, insects, everything I respect. In this way, I'm showing the same respect on to everything in the world as I'm showing to the God. Then, there is no difference between you and me. Whatever I feel comfortable, I'm going to give it to you. Whatever I like, I'm going to give it to you. Then, Samadhi happens. Then one more level is there. Inside you, you merge yourself in thyself. And there will be only one. And the whole chakra is called Saubhagyadayaka Chakra. Sarva Saubhagyadayaka Chakra Swamini. The Devata for this chakra is Sarva Saubhagyadayaka Chakra Swamini. What is Saubhagya? Many people think Bhagya means luck, getting. Sau is Parabija. Let go is Saubhagya. Giving is Saubhagya. Already we have got enough karma. Getting rid of karma is saubhagya. If you do some action, you expect something out of the action. This creates further karma. So saubhagya is giving, being able to give. That's why in pujas also, whenever you say hastau prakshalayami, that means you need to take water and wipe her hands, praying, Amma, your hands are always giving. What to do? Being a human being, I'm always having a habit of asking, even in temple, in spite of my wonderful life. At least now you give me a habit of giving. You pray to God, let me have the power and wealth and opportunity and capacity to feed thousands of people per day. Let me have that. What happens is, the more you pray with the dedication and innocence, Goddess Lakshmi, that energy, supreme consciousness, may make you as a brand ambassador of her, a representative. All the wealth people are enjoying, because of the past karma, punya karma, you are given this dharmakarta of her wealth. 10%, 20%, 30%, depending on your situation, you need to spend it to the community. Trust me, how much you want. 10 crores, 20 crores? Put a limit. At least after that, don't you think that what Goddess Mother has given to you is an extra money to feed the people around you, to take care of the people? There are very many examples in our epics. The great example is Kanakadhara Stotra. You know that story when Shankara went for Bhiksha? This poor lady came out of her hut. There's nothing in the hut to offer. He selected an amla and gave it to him, Shankaracharya. And he prayed, Goddess Mother. And there was a rain of gold coins in her hut. We all know this story. But one glitch here is, what is Saubhagya here? Is the rain of gold coins is the Saubhagya? No. That character of offering in spite of my poverty is Saubhagya. That Saubhagya is already given to her. This is just her grace. But the Saubhagya is ability to offer, willingness to offer. First of all, if I have tons of money, then I need to do tons of community service. Leave alone. Suppose I don't have much money, then also. For this, in Bharata, there is an example. When Dharmaraja was doing the Rajasuya Yaga, everybody is happy and praising Dharmaraja. There was a mongoose. I don't know whether you know this story or not. Half of his body was gold in color. And it came and started to roll on the floor and got disappointed. Dharmaraja found it strange and it started to speak in human language. She says, "Hey Dharmaraja, you may think that by doing this Rajasuya Yaga, you became great. You are good, but there is one person who has surpassed you in this dharma." And the mongoose says, "Raja, there was a poor Brahmin who used to go to the forest and collect nuts and make it a floor. and eat only that flour, that much poor. One day he went to the forest, nothing is there. They got nothing to eat. They went on fasting. The next day, that Brahmin has got only few nuts. So they made them into powder and they made 3 parts. He and his wife and son. And about to eat. And then a sannyasi came. He said, Bhavati Bhiksham Dehi. First, this Brahmin wanted to offer his portion to him. No, I want to offer my portion. So Brahmin offered. His appetite never subsided. Again, second, including the child offered. Then he was happy. Remember, the previous day, they didn't have anything to eat. And they don't have anything in the house stock. Yet, all the family members showed the same dharmic action. And of course, the Divya Radha comes and takes this family. And Mangu says, I have seen with my own eyes. After they have left, I just rolled in the place where some portion of that flour is sticking. And my body became gold. I want to make the other half also gold. So far, nothing could make. This is Saubhagya.